Hello, my name is Olga Daykova. I work in an SEO company called Gindovsky SEO. We work with international clients, mostly from the United States and Arab Emirates. In this video, I want to show you how I generate images with the help of artificial intelligence for my work and for my personal projects. We'll look at two, or even I would even say three methods of generating images. The first two are with ChatGPT, and the last with a service called Recraft. So the first method I want to tell you about is generating an image based on the prompt, based on the paragraph of an article. It is a very useful thing to use when you have a text, for example, that doesn't have much description, and you don't know what exact picture you want based on this text. You don't have the details of it in your head. In this case, you can just copy a part of a text and go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate an image based on the paragraph that you have. So we write generate an image based on this text. We paste the text here, enter. Here we have an image. Pretty good. If you don't like anything, you can select this area that you don't like and write a prompt to ChatGPT to change it. But here, let's say I like everything, and I would probably even download it already and use it in my projects. Very cozy, exactly what I wanted. But that was the first option, how to do it. The second one, we will ask ChatGPT to write a prompt for an image based on a paragraph of a text that we have. So we say write a prompt for an image based on this text. If necessary, you can say to it to describe the style, the tone of it. A beautifully designed cozy home interior that exudes warmth and relaxation. The scene features soft candlelight, casting a warm glow over plush blanket and comfy armchair, blah blah blah. So let's say we like it. We can copy it and just in case ask some other artificial intelligence to generate an image based on this prompt, or we can ask ChatGPT to do it. Now, generate an image based on this prompt, on the description that you wrote. Or, as I said earlier, you can copy what you have here, what ChatGPT advises, and use it in other services. So the picture is ready. We can see that it's quite similar to the previous one, although there are differences. But it's ChatGPT. We asked to generate images ChatGPT only. If you use some other services with artificial intelligence, they may show other results. Here we have this thing. Let's now try to use the second method. That's generating images with, in our case, it would be Recraft AI. I very like this service because it has quite a lot of instruments here. You can create raster or vector images. You can work with graphic design with the instrument called Frame. You can create an image set that is very useful for logos, for example, that when you have some, let's say, points in your text and you want to make it more inviting using some pictures of the same style, and you can create several images here in this instrument. What is more, you can create a mock-up with your logo, with your product that you want to sell. But we will create just an image. You can choose a style here that you want. There are quite a lot of them. Here we will use photorealism. You can adjust the size of the picture, of the image that you want. In our case, let it be this thing. And I use a free version of this instrument, of this service, and a free version has 50 coins. So each generation costs, if I'm not mistaken, 1 or 2 coins. I may be mistaken, it's better to check, but I can say that 50 coins, that's enough to work with a picture during a day. Maybe not even one picture, but several images. So I remind you that we copied, let's do it again, just in case, the prompts that ChatGPT advised us. We pasted here, Recraft. Let's see what result we get with artificial intelligence description. So this is it. Pretty good, I would say. I like it. If you don't like anything, there are instruments such as eraser. So you can click here, choose what you don't like, what you want to erase from the picture. For example, here let's take this picture on the wall. Here we have it. Or you can modify some area. For example, here I want only books. So I highlight it, delete the prompts that I wrote earlier, and write to the area that I want to modify. And here we have it. Pretty good, I would say. So yeah, you can work with these instruments as long as you want, as long as you have coins left. You can remove the background on a picture, and you can even change the backgrounds that if you don't like something in your background, for example. So that was it. Now let's try to generate an image based on the prompts that I wrote. So there are several main rules to follow when creating a prompt to generate an image. First, you need to mention what is in the center of the picture. Then you say what exactly is on the right, on the left, above, below this object in the center, and then you describe the background. It's necessary to add as many details as possible so that you have a precise picture of what you want. Let's create a new project. Because otherwise it would modify the previous one that we have already. So adjust the size as usual and paste our prompts that I created. A stone fireplace with a soft warming fire in the center. On the mantelpiece there is a ceramic figurine, a framed photograph, and a vase with dried flowers. There is an armchair opposite the fireplace on the left side, and a fluffy blanket lies on the armchair. There is a large TV hanging above the fireplace. The image is in neutral pastel colors with the predominance of beige. The scene radiates comfort and warmth. If necessary, you can add the description of colors that you want to see in your picture, describe the style of your picture, but here I don't need it. I described only the colors. Yeah, so here we have it. A picture based on the description that we have, on the prompt that we have. Even 2 variants. So once again, if you don't like anything here, for example, I would change this vase to something else, or choose this picture because it's much better. I will just download it and use it in my article. So that was it. I told you about two, or I would even say three methods of generating images for your works, for your articles. The pictures that are generated by artificial intelligence are unique, so you can use it freely. And once again, I told you today about how to generate images in ChatGPT based on a paragraph from a text. Ask how to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for your image itself, so that they can use it. You can use it in other services like Recraft or similar. And how to write a prompt and generate images with Recraft. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you know any other useful instruments, any other useful tools or tips, please share in the comments. But for now, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.